This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Judy Brooks. This home has it all. 8.98 surveyed picturesque acres, 30 by 50 RV garage west/2 additional tool rooms, and third door, encapsulated walk-in stand-up crawl space/basement for extra storage/workshop and large attached garage. All three have natural gas heat units. Other features: whole house Generac Generator, extra wide concrete driveway, inside large safe/storm shelter and large patio deck west/trailer storage below. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, open floor plan, gourmet kitchen with large pantry and a breakfast dining area with a bank of windows for your outdoor viewing pleasure. The formal dining room is open to the great room with a natural gas fireplace that leads to the deck that leads you to the large open patio deck with several umbrellas so you can enjoy natural at its best. Come and see for yourself. For more information,